There are between 5 and 10% of medical claim denials on average according to the AAFP. But this isn't necessarily a set average. There are many different studies that yield different results. Though not many of these results seem to fall below that range, another study by the Centers of Medicare and Medicaid Services, or CMS, for instance, report differently. In 2020, across HealthCare.gov insurers, reports show that 18% of in-network claims resulted in claim denials. These denial rates vary from individual providers as well. This is largely due to the lack of standardization within the healthcare system in general. Now, the good news is there is a standardization when it comes to the use of denial codes in medical billing. Hi everyone, I'm Matt from eTactics, and today I'm going to talk to you about denial codes in medical billing. Now before we get started though, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button below. While you're down there, hit that alert bell icon next to it as well, so when we post new helpful content, you get notified. Denial codes are sort of like the last piece of that puzzle you've been working on for what seems like forever. You know, like that 1,000 piece puzzle you thought would be fun to do, but 10 minutes into it, you regretted it instantly. But instead of doing a puzzle, you're actually working on a claim for a provider to be paid on. Obviously, this is slightly higher from a stakes perspective than your standard puzzle. So it's no wonder medical billing can be very frustrating for many organizations. Healthcare insurance companies assign these codes to claims that are unable to process. Denial codes explain why insurances cannot cover a patient's treatment costs, so medical billers can resolve and resubmit the claim as an appeal. This not only benefits the patient, but it benefits the provider as well. So where can you find a denial code? It's good practice to start with the Electronic Remittance Advice, or ERA. ERAs contain a lot of different codes that cover a variety of different statuses for claims. And of course, I wouldn't be mentioning ERAs if they didn't cover denial codes. Now, to really understand how to read ERAs, here are a few terms to know yourself. Claim adjustment group codes help to determine who's financially responsible for an unpaid amount of the claim balance. These codes contain 2 alpha characters to represent who's responsible in combination with claim adjustment reason codes, or CARC. While looking over claim adjustment group codes, which explain who's financially responsible for a claim balance, consider claim adjustment reason codes, or CARC 2. These codes explain the applied financial adjustments. If the healthcare provider doesn't make an adjustment to the claim, there will be no CARC code included in the ERA. Remittance Advice Remark codes, or RARCs, is another term to know. These are good for preventing additional explanation for an adjustment given by a CARC. RARCs also can give more information about remittance processing. Claim denials lack specific criteria set by the insurance company. This could be in regards to insurance coverage plans, limits, or an untimely filing error. A few of the most common reasons for healthcare denials to watch out for are, drumroll please, missing information, service not covered by payer, duplicate claim or service already adjudicated, and limit for filing has expired. Just by knowing these reasons for claim denials, you can help yourself by implementing a plan to actually prevent them. Now, I know I just threw a lot of information at you, and there is plenty more to go over in a different video, but now you know that just because you got back a denial code for that claim you sent out a few days ago doesn't mean that you automatically won't be able to collect on it and lose revenue. We have over 20 years of clearinghouse experience here at eTactics under our belt and know a thing or two about helping our clients process claims and also handle claim denials. Having a third-party clearinghouse like eTactics not only speeds up the collection process, but also allows for better administrative efficiency and gives you more time to focus on growing your practice. If you'd like to learn more about denial codes in medical billing, reach out to eTactics. And you already made it this far into the video, so you might as well like it, share it, and comment below.